In front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security. Then scroll again to tap on Screen Lock under Device Security and pick one of those login methods you wanna use. Swipe, pattern, PIN or password. Personally, I never recommend swipe because it doesn't give you any security whatsoever, just this padlock animation. So anyone can still access your device. Go with one of those if you want it to be safe. I will tap on pattern and create it. If you made a mistake or change your mind, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you finished, select next at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit confirm. Now tap on one of those options by answering. To answer this question, how do you want the lock screen to display? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when on lock, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided when you're done, hit done at the bottom right corner. If you want to manage lock screen options, you can always click on this gear next to screen lock and check out all of those. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!